Oke. Oke, kembali kalau kita lihat, coba dilihat di sana, bisa di zoom di sana. Lihat di sana. Pawang Hujan.
We don't have a lot of overtaking spot, and I think that is a great position to start, and let's see, because our pace is also very good, and I will try to do my best to make the best result as possible. Yeah, I prefer the tire of the test. For me it was much more consistent and much more performance, but I can say that I'm pretty happy with the tires, and let's see which one to use on tomorrow's race. No strategy, basically. I think is the best. Yes, first of all, try to make the best start as possible and push from the beginning to the end.